Have you ever thought about the water in your glass? I mean, really thought about it? What if I told you it's billions of years old and has been on an adventure you wouldn't believe? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're following the incredible journey of a single water droplet. Let's dive right in.
So, our little protagonist, this water droplet, it's ancient, seriously ancient. The Earth has been recycling the very same water for over 4 billion years. That means every single drop has a history almost as old as the planet itself. It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it.
And this makes that ancient cycle super personal. I mean, just think about it. The water you're drinking right now, it could have flowed through a Roman aqueduct. A dinosaur might have taken a sip from it. It's all part of the same continuous, epic journey.
Our droplet story is going to unfold in 4 amazing acts. First up, we've got the Great Escape. Then it's off to build a city in the sky. After that comes the inevitable fall. And finally, we'll see how the journey continues. So let's follow the path.
Okay, for this part of the journey, you're coming with me, because I'm the water droplet now. Right now, I'm just floating, chilling out in this huge ocean. It feels like home, but I can feel something's about to change. My adventure is about to kick off.
I'm starting to feel this warmth. It's spreading all through me. Oh, it's the sun. Its powerful energy is beaming down, and I'm getting warmer and lighter. I feel this pull, a strange urge to just rise up and float away. So this feeling, this great escape I'm going through, it actually has a name: evaporation. It's that moment I soak up so much energy from the sun that I literally change and start my climb up into the atmosphere.
See, when I'm a liquid, there are these invisible forces holding me tight with all my droplet buddies. We're like a big team. But with enough of that solar power, pop! I can break free from those forces, turn into a gas, we call it water vapor, and I'm off, flying free into the big blue sky. As I get higher and higher, things start to change again. Wow, it gets a lot colder up here. And hey, I'm not alone anymore. I can see millions, billions of others just like me, all floating around in this huge open sky. And yep, you guessed it, this next stage of my journey also has a name. It's called condensation. As I cool down from being this speedy, free-floating gas, I start to lose all that energy that set me free in the first place, and that change pulls me back toward the others. As a gas, I was a total solo act, zipping around wherever I wanted. But now that I'm cooling off and losing energy, I'm slowing down, and I'm starting to stick together with other droplets. It's like we're all huddling up to stay warm in the chilly, high-up air. And you know what happens when billions of us little droplets huddle together? We form a cloud. We become this massive, visible community, a literal city in the sky. And from up here, the wind currents catch us and take us on a tour all around the globe. Life in our cloud city is pretty cool, but more and more droplets keep showing up. It's getting really crowded and honestly, really heavy. I'm starting to feel that pull again, but this time, it's not pulling me up. It's pulling me back down to Earth. This moment is called precipitation, and it's pretty simple, really. Our cloud community just gets so packed and so heavy that the air can't hold us up anymore, so we have to go. We begin our fall back to Earth. But my trip back down to Earth isn't always the same. If it's warm, I fall as rain. But if it gets really cold, I can turn into a beautiful little snowflake, or a hard chunk of hail, or even some icy sleet. Every single fall is a brand new experience. Touchdown! I've made it back to Earth. So, is my story over? No way, not even close. In fact, landing just kicks off a whole new set of adventures for me. The cycle is far, far from finished. Look at all these possibilities. I could land on a hill and become what they call surface runoff, flowing into a river that takes me all the way back to the ocean, or I could soak deep, deep into the ground and become groundwater, maybe hanging out down there for centuries. In a really cold place, I could even become part of a glacier, basically frozen in time for thousands of years. So, you see, my journey never really ends. It doesn't matter if I'm in an ocean, a cloud, a river, or frozen in a glacier. I'm always part of this constant looping system. Always recycled, always moving, always on my way to the next great adventure. This is the water cycle. And that brings us right back to you. My journey is timeless. It's endless. I've been everywhere, seen everything. So the next time you take a sip of water, just pause for a second and wonder, what kind of wild, epic journey has that single droplet been on just to get to you?